Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you the basic data types in Python. In Python we have different types of data types. We have dictionary, we have boolean, we have a set, we have an integer, we have a float, and then we have complex numbers, we have strings, we have list, and then we have tuples. We have different scenarios where you want to represent your data. Let's say you have let's say your name. Your name is just a word, right? In Python, the word will be represented by the string data type. The actual definition of a string is strings in Python are arrays of bytes representing Unicode characters. Strings are nothing more than a set of characters, symbols, numbers, white space, and even empty space between two sets of quotation marks. In Python, we can use either single or double quotes to create a string. Let me just show you. Okay. Let's say you want to represent a string, okay? So let's say the string is, let's say you just created summary. Hello, how are you? So from the definition of a string is a set of characters, symbols, numbers, white space. In this string, you can see I have a white space. I have a white space here. There's a space, and then I have a character. I can add different characters inside the string. Sorry, I can add characters, and then I can add even numbers. Can just add numbers, and that's how strings are represented. Have quotation marks. If you just happen to not have the quotation marks, let me just show you, you'll have a problem. You see, object u not found. Python is trying to understand what this is. When you leave everything like this, Python will not understand what's going on. So you need to put double quotes. They will represent the string. Now let us try this, and then let's print name. You see, hello, how are you? Guys, I know you're asking what am I using. This is it's called IPython. You can install it. See, you can just go to this site and then install IPython if you want to use it. Let's go back, and you see the output is empty without the quotation marks. You see, so that's how strings are represented. Variables are one of the most important beginner level concepts in programming. They allow us to save values into memory using a name that we assign. You see here, I assigned a name to this. This is a value. In this statement, this is the variable and this is the value. A variable is a name that we assign on a value to be stored in memory. So if I declare a variable called name, I have assigned this variable into memory. If I want to print it out, you see now, when I print it out, I see, hello, how are you? So now let us declare a variable. Say you want to declare a variable of your age. what age are you? Okay, now age equals to, okay, now we put the double quotes. We are using the strings now. We haven't gone to the other data types. Let's just start with the string. Okay, now let's say 25. Okay, I have declared a variable which is called age. When declaring variables, you must have an equal sign. If you don't have an equal sign, you'll have a problem. You see, we have this is invalid syntax. This does not exist in Python. If you want to assign a value to a variable, all you need to do is just put an equal sign, and then there you go. If you want to print it out, age. Now we have it. Now the next thing we are going to learn about is the integer data type. An integer data type represents a number, so it's just simple as that. If you want to declare a variable that has a value of an integer, all you need to do is just to assign the variable like that. When you want to check if what data type is the variable, all you need to do is just type and then age, and then so the variable age is of class integer. Okay, now let's go to floats. Floats is another data type that we have. If you want to assign like a value of float value, float values always have a decimal point. Okay, now let us just let us declare a speed variable, and then 45.65. So if you are declaring a float, we have a decimal point. Let us check the type. Speed. You see, speed has a data type of float. Okay, then let's go to the next. The next data type is, well, let's go to, where do we go? The next data type that we can check now is dictionary. Dictionary is represented by curly braces and has key value pairs. So what do you mean by key value pairs? Okay, let me just show you in this example. Let us declare a variable called employee. When we're declaring dictionaries, we always have curly braces. Okay, this is what we call curly braces. See now? Okay, now let us put items into an employee. Okay, now name, okay, name Jack. Okay, then DOB, let's put 1996 09001. Okay, so this is how we declare a dictionary. Notice the difference between a dictionary and how the other data types are represented. You see, it's so different, right? Now, the difference is that when you're declaring a dictionary, we have key value pairs. What do I mean by key value pairs? A dictionary consists of key value pairs, okay? Now, this is the key and this is the value. So the employee dictionary has a key of name and a value of Jack, and then has a key of DOB and a value of that date. Let us print this and see what comes out. Okay. You see, this is the dictionary data structure which has printed out. Let us check the type. Employee. Okay.